Well, let's continue with creating products in OurShop. As we can see in the main menu, we have products and a list of products. It will show us a list of all the products in stock, and we have maintenance buttons such as edit, delete, or the little plus button to create. In this case, we are going to edit a product, and we are going to look at the tabs it contains. It works the same way for creating. The name, we have the barcode. In the general tab, we have the categories, whether they are health, beauty, sports, bags, footwear, subcategories, health, medicine, beauty. This goes in the other categories that we are marking. Another subcategory can display medicines or veterinary equipment. Then we have the sale price, the cost of the product, the weight, and the unit, in this case, which is the pound. In the next tab, we can select a photo from our PC to publish this photo on the e-commerce site. We can upload videos and some more specific details about this product, such as the detailed name, sizes, dimensions, and colors. And we have the following, which are specifications, certifications, variants, and Cardex, which we will review in the next video. We are going to focus on the generation part. We are going to create a product as we saw in a previous edition. We can put size 7 black polo shirt. We click on Consult, and when we do, it will call on AI to consult the characteristics of this product. It will give us the size specifications, as shown on the screen. It will complete the categories and subcategories. It will complete these and also complete the additional fields as key values for a detailed search on the website screen. The model, if it has the brand, will bring us all of this, because all of this data is additional information that the AI brings us when we consult it. We can enter the barcode with a barcode scanner and print it. And now that we have filled in the category and subcategories, we are going to enter the price. This will be the sale price, which will be calculated plus the shipping fee if you enter it. This would be, for example, $20 and the cost would be $16. The weight, 0.34, and the unit of measure, which would be the pound. If it has free shipping, we check the free shipping box, and when generating a shipping order, it will not calculate the shipping cost. When additional information is missing, such as a photo or some other detail, the product is saved but remains pending. However, if everything is complete, including the essential information, we can publish it. Publishing it will help us display this item in our e-commerce, in offers, or show it as featured products on the front page. If the product is no longer valid, we will mark it as inactive if we no longer have it in stock, or if it has been rejected by the store or the company. That would be the first part of product creation. We then save it, which completes the first part of entering new products. In the second part, we will detail the specifications, certifications, and Cardex variants that are part of product creation.